Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Fix It Felix. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2009 Nissan Altima. It should be the same from the 2007, I believe, all the way to 2011 or 2012. So first thing first, you need a Phillips screwdriver to remove these three screws. One right here on the right side, one in the middle, and one on the left. Okay, that's one. Now the one in the middle. Two. The one on the left. Okay. Now you can open the glove box, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 more screws that we have to remove. Alright, once you remove all of those screws, let's put them on the side. You have to remove this side right here. It's really easy. You can just put a fathead screwdriver, just take it out, put it on the side. Once you take out the screws and the side trim right here, you can just pull towards this side, like towards you, and there's some cables here. You don't really have to unscrew them, but just be careful so you won't cut them. Okay, and now the cabin air filter is located, I'll show you right there. So you have to remove this plastic. You gotta push down, it comes out, and that's your cabin air filter there. Looks really dirty. Let's see if I can get it. Wow, this thing is really dirty. There you go. That's the cabin air filter. Wow, this thing is gross. So you just put the new one back in, and that's pretty much it. Once you put the new air filter, the cabin air filter, you put this back, and just put everything back how it was. You can follow the instructions of this video backwards, so you can put the glove box back. I'm also going to put the link down below where you can buy the air filter, the cabin air filter. So if you need to purchase one, you can just click the link down below and buy it from there. So alright guys, if this video was helpful for you, give this video a like, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, peace.